तो सुनिए, इस जर्नी में पिलर्स ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ क्या रहे?
First of all, my parents and my mentors, Siddharth sir, you, Vivek sir, you have been teaching us legal reasoning. You have been practicing for different kinds of passages that may come. And Vikram sir in maths, Deepesh sir in GK, Anurag sir who have been teaching us maths. And the sources of preparation I kept very limited. In legal reasoning, I did your sheets and mocks and analysis. And in GK also, there were most important topics list each month. And I have done only those. I have not been jumping from one source to another. I have just stick to our sources. Siddharth sir has sent testing links every day. They have been insightful, and so they were mimicking the kind of pattern that CLAT has.
ओके। और सुनील, इसी के साथ मैं एक चीज और जानना चाहूंगा तुमसे कि ठीक है, हम लोग तुम्हारे स्ट्रेंथ रहे, हम लोग तुम्हारे पिलर्स रहे, बट इन द एंड ये हमारे ऊपर होता है कि हम फाइनली कौन से सोर्सेस को चुन रहे हैं।
Right.
सो अगर तुम बहुत ही शॉर्ट और क्रिस्प में सबको बताना चाहो तो हर सेक्शन के लिए तुम्हारा वो पर्टिकुलर सोर्स कौन सा था जो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही रिलायबल साबित हुआ इन द एंड?
Sure. First of all, for English and CR, the reading links that Siddharth sir has sent, they were exactly what CLAT expects us to read every day. We have been reading those. That improved speed, vocabulary. I've been making flashcards from the day one. Similarly, in GK, I've been provided with important topic sheet. Apart from those topics, I have not done a single thing in GK. Every student gets a lot of sources, especially in the last 2 months. That do this. This is a list of 50 most important topics.